Once again.
Hello and welcome to day 19 of our house renovation. I'd like to start off by apologizing about the shakiness of the camera. I looked back on some of the house renovation videos and I noticed that the camera has a shake. It's a problem with the stabilizer on this camera, and I'm actually going to replace this with a new Canon camera for doing their videos. So it won't be shaky no more, and it won't be hard on the eyes. But until then, we get that new camera in, it's just going to be kind of shaky. But anyway, today we went and got a shingle match. Because I got to take that chimney out right there. And I got to patch a hole in the ceiling. I got to go up on the roof and take a chimney down and put a piece of plywood and put these shingles in. So we went to the fucking roofing supply company and we got them for the roof. Today I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna paint all this fucking trim and everything that I put in yesterday. And we're gonna paint the doors, paint all that shit. Get the doorknobs on, and I went today and got another bucket of all-purpose mud. We go ahead and sand some more of the sheetrock down and put this mud on here because I'm hoping next week to come in here with some fucking oil primer and start painting this shit. So sometime in the next couple of days you're gonna be getting a new air conditioning system, a new unit upstairs in the attic, another one outside, so it's gonna be a whole lot of shit going on in here. And I'm gonna take this fucking fan right here down and put up another fan and run a wire over there, because the fan should be in the middle of the fucking ceiling instead of over there. That's just the way the electrical shit is in this house. It doesn't make any sense. But anyway, so that's where we're at today. Gonna go ahead on it. We're gonna paint the doors first so that we can get the doorknobs on and find out where they strike. Just gonna put the doorknob on, but dab a little bit of fucking paint on it, find out where it hits, and then readjust the strike plate in the door frame. We're gonna come in here today, put some more mud up there, sand this shit down, hit this side of that fucking corner beam. As soon as you get all the paint in here and everything's painted and everything, then I can go ahead and I put my hardy board down on the floor and start putting my tile in. So get the tile and stuff in, they can set the toilet. So if we gotta take a shit, we can fucking hit the dual flush. A guy commented on one of my videos the other day when I was fucking making a video about this toilet. It's a dual flush toilet. You got fucking one button on the left on if you gotta pee, and then one on the other side if you're gonna take a shit, right? He was like, in the comment section, he's like, if you take a really big shit, you probably gotta push both the buttons. And that's a good point, Dave. So, anyway, with that said, we're gonna go in here and fucking, what the fuck? Some shit still right on the ceiling. Anyway, with that said, we're gonna go ahead on and start painting doors. So far today, we've just been painting shit. So I'm painting doors. The trick of painting a door is don't try to get it all on the first coat. Put a nice thin coat or work that shit down in the grains. If it's a textured door, it's got the wood grains on it like this one does. See what I'm doing? Working that shit down in the panel like that. I'd probably be holding the paintbrush a little different if I wasn't fucking filming this shit at the same time, but I'm just fucking showing you how you fucking get like nice thin coat on it, right? Just like that. And you do that to every fucking door. And then you go back and you put a second coat on. The second one doesn't take that long. If you look, you see that there's like little lines where the grains change. You want to stop at that line. It's like that. Just kind of work that shit in. Just like that. And then on down here, you'll be going back and forth. Right here, you'll be going up and down. You see? And then fucking a nice thin coat. Because that way, when you do it thin, too thin coats, you won't get no runs and shit like that. And the door will come out looking like it was made that color, you know? I'm showing you. It shouldn't take no more than about fucking 10 minutes to fucking paint a door, one side of a door, like this. See, like that. See. So what has it been? 47, a minute and 47 seconds to do the middle part of the door. And it's gonna keep on going, continuing on up just like that. Put a little bit of paint in the paintbrush. Go this way, that way, this way, that way, like that. Back and forth. Just like that. Don't worry about trying to be all perfect and shit. Let's make sure that it's nice, thin, and even, and there's no runs. Go back and forth to this little panel right here. Of course, you're gonna take your time when you get to the hinge because you don't want to get paint on your hinge. You know, just like that. Back and forth. Work that shit down in there. Because right now the doors just got primer on it, and that's it. So, once you finish this side of the door, go back over to another door that's already got one coat on it, and put a second coat on that one. Just like that. Coming across the grains like this, and then up, like that. You can go ahead on and do all your doors like that. 2 coats. Then you get done doing that, then you can go ahead on and put the doorknobs on. All right, so all that shit's painted. All the fucking doors are painted, 2 coats both sides. It's time to put the doorknobs on. The chair railing's painted. This fucking frame right here that we built yesterday, that's fucking painted, 3 coats. Chair railing, windowsill's painted. All of this shit's fucking painted now. 2 coats on that door right there. So now it's time to fucking do some sheetrock work and fucking start putting some of this fucking, damn door hardware on the doors and shit. Dave's in here fucking sanding that shit down on the side of the fucking door that he put on yesterday so we could put some more mud in that motherfucker. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the doorknobs on or do some mud work or something like that. So that's where we're at. All these fucking doors are painted 2 coats. 2 coats. So it's coming along slow, but it's fucking coming along. All right, we're at the end of day 19, and we painted all the doors. Painted the door frame right there. Painted that shit 3 times. All that shit. Painted the windowsills. Just did a lot of painting and shit today. Painting, trim, chair railing. The doors both sides. I'm gonna be putting doorknobs on here pretty soon. In here, we shaded all this sheetrock down, and tomorrow we'll be in here doing some sheetrock mud work. Putting another coat of sheetrock mud on everything. So it's gonna be kind of not a whole lot going on right now. Some pretty much kind of boring shit, but then we got some other stuff we'll be getting in the kitchen and putting together cabinets. We're gonna be going to the stone place, Signature Stone, and picking out a remnant piece of granite and getting a granite countertop for a cabinet in our kitchen and an undermount stainless steel sink. I'm gonna be refinishing the pantry and the kitchen. I'm gonna be doing some tile work, putting some tile down in a couple of rooms. That pantry right there, that's the pantry I'm gonna sand down and paint. I'm gonna be taking that chimney out of the ceiling. I'm gonna be putting a patch in the roof to cover the hole up. And we got have a shingle mats right there. It's going to be using those shingles. Going to be replacing the front door. Going to be replacing some glass. We're going to take all those blinds down and repaint that topper right there and put that in. We're going to be upgrading the air conditioning system. We're going to be tearing out the driveway and putting a new concrete driveway in. We're going to be replacing all the wood rot on the outside, redoing the front steps, painting all the woodwork on the outside of the house, cleaning up a bunch of rubbish and debris from around. We're going to be renovating the garage. There's the garage right there. So, we'll be renovating that garage. Again, I apologize for the shakiness of the phone, but I'm getting ready to replace this camera. Well, the Canon camera is going to be sitting on a gimbal, so it's not going to be no shake to it no more. And so that'll be the end of day 19. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 20. Tomorrow will be Friday. So it means I can get the hell out of here for a couple of days. So look on my YouTube channel, because this weekend I'm going to be restoring an antique hatchet that's real rusty and got rivets in the blade and a handmade handle. I'll be taking some rust off of it. And when I get all the pieces made and everything, then I'm going to be uploading some videos on restoring and making new handles and repurposing knives that have been in the ground for a couple thousand years old. Ancient Roman knives, stuff like that. So we're going to be doing a bunch of rust removal and repurposing of blades and renovating and whatnot in here. So subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the little bell notification button so that you know when I upload another video. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you got any questions, leave a question in the comments section, or look in the description for the channel, and there's an email link for my email. Ask the question and I'll answer the question pretty quick. So take a moment to look at the other 300 videos I have on how to do stuff, how-to videos, reviews on different things. Got some cooking shows, a little bit of something for everybody. Y'all have a good day, and stay tuned tomorrow for day 20. I believe we've been here for 20 days messing with this place. So y'all have a good day now, and subscribe.